How do you incorporate user feedback in your designs? Incorporating user feedback involves active listening and also considering users' suggestions, their concerns, and their pain points during the user testing or feedback sessions, followed by prioritizing and identifying recurring feedback in order to streamline changes or also improvements that are based on impact and feasibility. This, however, gets me an insight into the iterative design and also enables me to make incremental changes to the design based on user feedback and testing and continuously improving the user experience. Finally, I communicate the changes to my stakeholders, or should I say the owners of the project, in order to discuss and explain the rationale behind design decisions that are influenced by user feedback.